Ditch the data chaos and say hello to streamlined organization with Asana Forms. First, open the Asana project where you want to collect information. This will be where all data will be collated. Then, in the upper right corner, click Customize, and from the drop-down menu, select Forms to initiate a new form. Next, in the Form Builder, craft your questions using various field types such as short text, long text, drop-down, or multiple choice. Write out your questions and use the right field for the response you are expecting. Refine your form by adding descriptions to fields for clarity, marking essential questions as required, and reordering fields to guide the respondent logically. See how each form submission instantly creates a new task within your Asana project, automatically populating the designated fields with the respondent's input. Automate your workflow further by setting up rules. For example, assign the task to a specific team member based on the answer to a particular question. Now, share your form by copying the unique link and distributing it or embed it directly on your website for wider access. You've transformed chaos into clarity. Now you can efficiently gather information and streamline your workflow.